sabi ko. Ah. 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 Again. Yung paa, again.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my sabay-sabay natin sabihin channel. Yes, of course. Welcome back to my channel. This video guys, i-share ko sa inyo yung mga surroundings namin dito sa aming baler. Sana pang hinihintay nyo guys. Let's go! Okay, dito ko kayo guys. Dito sa aming bahay, diba? Napapansin nyo guys sa mga vlog. Madami nagpapakita ng mga magagandang bahay, mga magagandang places. And I'm here para hindi tayo magpapakabo guys. Gagawin natin yan. So, today, papakita ko sa inyo ang aming pool dito sa aming baler. So, here's the organic pool. Yes, nakikita niyo guys, it's very organic. May mga kangkong dyan, may mga water hyacinth dyan. Lahat-lahat nandyan guys. So, yun yung pool namin. Ginagamit ko yan guys tuwing weekdays. Of course, and this is also our banana plantation. This is our banana plantation. Look at that, diba? How gorgeous it is. Din po kaming isa sa mga very rare na plants. It's called the water hyacinth or the lotus. Andito siya, guys. Tada! Makikita niyo mo madami po siya, guys. So every summer, guys, or every December, guys, nagpa-flower siya. Kulay violet yung flower niya. Ayan, madami. So, I'm thinking paano kayang, ano ba? Oh, no! So, ayan yung aming water hyacinth. So, punta naman tayo sa aming condo. Tara na sa aming condo, guys. Let's go! Before we get to our condo, guys, nandito yung poultry namin. So, we have a poultry. Look at that. O, diba, ang daming chicken. O, yan yung poultry namin dito sa place namin. Ayan. And then, we also have here, amali papanay naman abong. So, yeah, this is my condo. Look at my condo unit. O, diba, o, ang daming, this is unit 1. Makikita nyo na sa aming condo, guys. Di ba, ang ganda ng condo namin? It's very light. Hindi mo kailangan mag-aircon. So, madaming butas-butas dyan na papasok yung air inside. So, yeah, let's go. Let's go naman sa aming farm talaga. This is real farm. Tada! Sa likod bahay, ito yung farm namin. We have a lot of okra. And then, a lot of, this is sayuri. This is sayuri, guys. And this is called Moringa oleifera in English it's malunggay. And then we also have calamansi. We also have the calamansi tree and the lomboy tree. Ayan, nakakapagod guys, sobra. Dahil it's so hot here in the Philippines, guys. We need to plant a lot of trees. Kailangan natin magtanim ng mga, kung pwedeng itanim para, di ba? Kung lockdown mo, pwede kang kumuha na lang, di ba? For example, itong kamote, pwede mo siyang kainin, pwede kang kainin mo yung dahon, ilang bunga, guys. So, it's really good in this place. Di ba? Kasi sa probinsya, di ba? Relatable talaga sa probinsya, guys. And this is our hacienda ni Naya. Ayan. The place. The green grass. The green grass of home. Diba? As you can see guys, it's very natural. hindi siya, it's less pollution as well, diba? And then less kapitbahay, less chismosa, diba? Nandito ka lang pwede mong gawin yung gusto mong gawin sa bahay. Malayo sa mga taong chismosa sa mga neighborhood. So, ayan guys, nandito lang akong ginagawa ko lang guys, ayun, kumakain, nagtatanim kami ng mga gulay-gulay. Or sa weekdays naman, naliligo kami sa aming swimming pool. Okay guys, ito naman yung kangkungan farm namin. Ayan. Nakikita niyo man, diba? Ang daming kangkong dito sa lugar namin. It's very beneficial guys. Pwede mo siyang pangkain sa mga baboy, pwede rin sa mga mukhang baboy. Yes, kailangan mo magtanim sa bahay ng mga kangkong kasi kapag dami makakain ka, diba? Ayan. Cut! So guys, ito naman po yung season namin. Nakikita yung season namin. Oh, it's very original. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. I used to ride on the seesaw dito. Woo! Ang sarap ng pili pag ganito, di ba? Pag mainit, magsisiso ka lang, and then may kinakain ka, ganun, di ba? Di ba? You know. So this is our kitchen. I'm going to tour you in our kitchen, guys. Okay guys, so nandito na tayo sa aming kitchen, guys. Makikita niyo guys, very traditional yung aming kitchen. We have the sisinupan. This is still unwashed. This is our plato. Look at that plato. Oh my God! Oh, dispenser, o diba? Oh my God! No. Makikita niyo. This is the water dispenser. This is our lutuan, guys. This is our traditional stove. Yes, we do this kahoy or sometimes charcoal. And then, after the kitchen, syempre, di ba kumakain ka sa kitchen, diretso tayo sa CR. Ito yung aming CR. Then, mayroon pa kaming isang ulam dito, guys. Yung tilapia. Kinuha namin kanina, guys. Ayan. Medyo messy ngayon dito sa aming mansion. And then, we have a lot of plato. This is silver glass. Yeah. Diba? Oh, this is silver. This is made of China. Made from China. And this is, ayan, this is our rice cooker. This is very, came from, you know, abroad. So, this is original. Because the handle is kahoy. Ayan. The handle is kahoy, yes. Go. Ang masasabi ko lang netizens, mas masarap manirahan dito sa probinsya kasi it's very natural, less pollution, malayo sa karahasan, charo, di ba? Makikita ng mga green plants, mga trees, and good air, di ba? Kahit hindi magandang bahay mo, kahit hindi magarbo yung bahay mo, as long as you have a family, complete family, and a complete nature, o di ba, masaya na dito. So sana guys, magustuhan niyo itong vlog na to guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. Keep subscribing, like, and comment. Thank you so much guys. Bye-bye!